meghalayapost.news.
Kibor ka ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra ke VK Riboi District mentakasngi kalap di Pajba ya program Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan Bharat Krishi Jagran Yatra Anusandhan Kisan ke Dwar ICAR Umyam kebade gawe na Thong jong Sorkar kni bat persapyang Pajba ya Thong ban Kyntiew ya karep karyang lengba kibut start kejuk bementa kibade lengba ka jingwat benya jong ki riu champang karep karyang ya kani ka jing pelaj Pajba ya ka Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan layatre rangkat bat ka ICAR Research Complex for Northeastern Hills Region ka Central Agricultural University CPG SAS ICR NBPGR Regional Station bat la kersandru da katanat agriculture ribhoy ATMA FPOS NGOs bat kinong sangkam sengjam na ribhoy
Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan launch and flag off today from KVK Riboi, Meghalaya, with the three team consisting of scientists from ICR, Central Agricultural University, State Department people, farmers, FPOs, and there will be three teams and three rods, and each team consisting of this scientists and faculties of the CAU, and they will visit, each team will visit three villages per day, and covering 450 farmers in each team each day, and covering 108 villages in 12 days from 29 to 12th of June 2025 to aware the farmers and reduce the gap between the agricultural research as well as the farmers, so that the farmers can increase their income as well as the productivity, and hence it is in all of our India it is going on, and in this part the Riboi district is one of the part of this Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan.
This Vikshit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan is the new flagship program launched by our Honorable Union Minister of Agriculture, Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Here the ethos or the spirit of the program is that what the ICR and other allied agencies are doing the research, that has to be taken to the farmer's doorstep. That's why it is one of the tagline is that Anusandhan Krishak ke Dwar. Matlab that if you translate it literally, it is that the research goes to the farmer's doorstep. In this program, it is state-wise program, region-wise program. ICR is involved in everything. In this district, Riboi specifically, we are going for approximately 99 villages. We are covering over a period of 15 days. Close to 15,000 farmers, 15,000. We will be touching and will be directly interacting with them. Here we are focusing on four things. Number one is that we want to know what are the problems they are having. The farmers, the welfare of the farming community being the spirit, what is their problem, what are the issues on the field they are facing. Number two. Number three is that what are their suggestions that they want that the research should be on, or the ICR as a whole or the research community should take it up. And the fourth one is that we build a close rapport so that this network spreads. And of course that we want to document all these. This will help us keeping in touch with the farmers in the coming days. This is pre-Kharif part of the program. There will be a pre-Rabi also before the winter season when the starts. Before that we want to touch them again. So we hope that this will be a grand success. 15,000 farmers in this in this first phase. Next phase another. We want to touch each and every farmer, their life, their community, their problem, and we want to handhold them in a true spirit.
meghalayapost.news